And good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining me. I am your host, Eric, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Eric's weather forecast, and I will have the very latest up-to-date information on everything that you need to know in regards to all the active weather that we've actually that I'm currently tracking, and I'll have more up-to-date information on that, and I'll give you little bits and pieces of that coming up in just a little bit. I just wanted to give everybody a heads up. We have some very, very nice weather in Michigan. We have very, very nice spring-like weather, and we'll be talking about a gradual warm-up coming up this week. And on top of that, we've got some very active weather that we're tracking in the Midwest, and the whole question is going to be chances of severe weather in the Midwest, and that also includes southeast Michigan. There's going to be actually a good part of the Midwest that's going to be seeing severe storms, and southeast Michigan, you are actually under that target zone for the possibility of severe weather. I'm going to continue to keep a very close eye on the severe weather situation, and I will have updates all this week, and I will most definitely keep a very close eye on it. I have been keeping a very close eye on the GFS models, and I did notice that it is going to be quite active as well. So I've done a lot of searching, a lot of looking, and overviewing just to see what technically is going on. So I will have the very latest on the very potentials that the Midwest could possibly see for the event of a severe weather outbreak across the Midwest, because I have heard other reports from other people that also do weather forecasts. So a lot of interesting things that will be going on. And the other good news is that I have actually am going to be doing things all brand new, and you guys will be really, really surprised on all the different things that I've actually changed on my channel and stuff like that. Right now, I'm still working on it. It will take a little time, but we are slowly getting there, and I have to figure out my schedule based on how it's all going to work. It's just I've had a lot of personal things that have been going on, so but anyway, like I said, we have a very, very nice warming trend coming our way to southeast Michigan. It sounds very exciting. I can hardly wait until that happens. And then after that, during that time, we will be seeing active weather start making its way across the Midwest. So it's going to be technically severe weather, and then there's actually going to be chances of snowstorms as well. So there's going to be a lot of active weather coming up in the upcoming week. So you kind of want to keep it here and kind of stay tuned to everything, so that way you're up to date and up to speed on what's going on, and I will continue to keep you posted on this whole situation. So just remember, kind of stay tuned and stay tuned, because it's really hard to tell. And I most definitely will let you know if this is going to be like a tornado outbreak. I really don't know. Right now it's too early to tell. I'm tracking it currently, so I'll have more developments on everything that you need to know coming up in a little bit. So when I do my other live stream later on during the day, I'll kind of update you on that, and then I'll have the forecast, and then I'll explain to you guys what's going to happen, what to expect. A lot of exciting things. So we've got the warm up, and then we have a lot of active weather, and then we'll talk about the active weather and how active it will be for March, and then we'll be talking about probably even a more busier April. We'll talk about all of the chances for the severe weather breakdown. Stay tuned for the very latest, and I will keep you up to date and up to speed on what's going on. I will be on top of all of this. I am back, so I will be keeping a very close eye on the situation. I'm pretty sure that everybody is going to be staying on top of the whole situation, so I will be working as hard as I can, and we'll go from there. I started this morning at 8 or so, and I'm still here, and other than that, today has actually been one of those busy days. So please stay tuned. Um, and I'll have another update. So I'll have another live stream later on tonight with the very latest on the severe weather outbreak that will be forming across the Midwest, and that also includes an upcoming winter storm potential as well. I will have all the very latest info on all the storm developments coming up. Come back and join me for more updates throughout the day, and I will continue to keep you guys up to date on the whole situation. Thank you so much for joining me on Eric's weather forecast, and I will see you guys later on this afternoon. So I'll have an update this evening. There'll be another live stream tonight. It will be a little bit longer than expected. And then we'll talk about the upcoming forecast, and then we'll talk about the severe weather, and then we'll talk about how active it's going to be for all of March, and then we'll focus in on April. And then also, I hope everyone enjoys this this gradual warm-up that I'm looking forward to. Very, very nice temperatures, and it's going to actually be nice. We're going to have a boost in temperatures, so there's going to be a lot of excitement going on. So stay tuned for the very latest. I will keep you guys up to date on the whole severe weather coverage. So stay tuned for the very latest, and please remember to please subscribe, like, comment, please. All of your guys' comments have really, really helped me throughout the time when I started back, but I really, really apologize that my schedule has really been up and down, up and down. It has really been a very, very busy month, and I am working very hard to see that there's actually a forecast done either every day or every other. So I'll kind of let you guys know how my schedule is going to mainly work out. But I am working my hardest to see on how things are going to shape up. And as far as adding new stuff on my channel, that is going to take time. I'm slowly getting there. So if you have any suggestions on what you might also want on it, please let me know in the comments, and I will have another live stream sometime tonight. So stay tuned for the rest of our forecast, and I will have our complete forecast later on tonight. Thank you for joining me, and you guys have a great day. We'll see you this afternoon and again tonight. Thank you.